3 years ago, this state-of-the-art EV battery manufacturing facility was just a vacant field. Today, in partnership with LG Energy Solution, we assemble EV batteries here with speed, precision, and total traceability. We have already created 1,300 jobs to boost the local economy, with 90% of the workforce hailing from right here in Tennessee. Many of our new hires have climbed from line operators to crew leaders in just a few years. Once the battery cells are complete, we ship them to other GM assembly facilities where we combine cells into modules. These can be configured as unique battery packs for EVs across GM's portfolio. One such facility is also in Spring Hill. We've redesigned and updated it for side-by-side production of EVs and gas-powered vehicles. This boosts flexibility and lowers costs. From state-of-the-art battery facilities to smart retrofits, Spring Hill shows how GM is building the future.